Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. I hope that you're okay and that you are feeling inspired from the nature around you. In this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful journal pocket. I'm going to use papers from my digital kit that is for Easter. There it is. So I'm going to put a link down below and I'm going to show you where it's available. It is available in my Etsy shop. So if you're interested, you can go and check my Etsy shop because there are a lot of interesting goodies inside. Also, please subscribe for my channel and like this video and watch the rest of my videos because probably you're going to find them useful for your junk journals. So I hope that this video is going to be fast. And let me just take my chair and sit down. So again, I'm not going to use any kind of specific measure, and the purpose of this tutorial is to show you that you can use every single part of your paper in one project. So I've prepared from those leftovers, this is bookmark, as you can see. So you can use it in I didn't prepare any kind of, unfortunately, any kind of book, but let me just take this here and okay, let's imagine that this is book, and I'm going to show you that you can put it here on the corner like this, and looks like very beautiful bookmark. So I'm going to show you, it is very easy to make it, and I'm going to show you how you can make those beautiful tags inside from the same paper. So basically in this tutorial you can see how you can use your paper without throwing away something. For the pocket, I'm not going to use any kind of specific measurement. It is up to you. How long are you going to make it? How big you're going to make it? Do you want to cut it? And I'm going to show you. So I'm taking my paper, which is in US letter size. So before this, I should explain for this Easter, Rusty Easter. This is the name of my kit. There are 12 pages inside, and you're going to receive those beautiful designs that honestly took me a lot of time to make them. About 2 weeks. I know that sounds crazy, but it took me a lot of time to make them. Nevertheless, I'm going to show you how you can prepare your pocket for your junk journals. And I'm going to take this side, the upper side, and I'm going to explain why immediately, because I would like to use my rabbit here. So this is going to be the length of my pocket. You can make it smaller, bigger, as you wish, but also, as I said, this page is in the size is US letter size. You can use A4 if you like. It is very, very easy. So I have to make two folds. here is the first one. And here is going to be the second one. And since I want my pockets to be in one and same size, I'm going to cut this part here, and I'm going to remove it because I don't need it. I print my digital papers on cardstock, so it's a bit difficult to fold it. So as you can see, the size of my pockets are going to be almost equal. Not perfect, but almost equal. So I'm going to fold like this. So you see, I'm going to fold it like that. And I'm going to cut it, and this is going to be my first pocket. And I'm going to do the same with the second one. Just take this corner and fold it. It is very, 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 very easy. And as you can see, they are almost in same size. I mean those pockets. So now I'm going to cut them out. Let me use my trimmer. And this is my pocket. And the interesting part is here. We have those corners here. Usually someone can throw them away, but don't throw them away. We are going to put them together, and we are going to make this beautiful bookmark. So don't throw away them. You can use them for sure. I'm going to glue this. And after it's dried, you can make such stitches with sewing machine, or you can use your sewing machine, or you can stitch it by hand. You can put flowers here. It's going to be very beautiful. Just unleash your imagination. I'm just showing you what you can use, how you can use this. I mean the corners, without throwing them away. And I'm going to leave it to dry. That looks very gorgeous if you ask me, and I'm going to use those bookmarks for my books. I think that they're very useful. So I'm going to put them aside. And I'm going to show you how from this leftover you can make tags. But first, let me show you how you can decorate your I'm going to decorate in the same way actually, how you can decorate your, like an idea, pocket. So first I'm going to glue this lace. And I'm going to trim the excess here. And I'm going to show you how you can glue your pocket. This is the first pocket. So I'm going to glue this edge here and this here. Let me show you. When you open it, it's going to look like this here, and this edge that is below. And I'm going to glue the second place here and do the same with this pocket and glue it. So this time I'm going to glue this edge here and this here. And I'm going to trim the excess of this lace. Okay, so my pockets are ready. I'm going to leave it to dry just for a few seconds until I'm going to show you how you can use those, actually this paper, this leftover as a tag. Just fold it in half, like this. I'm going to trim it a little bit. Okay. And of course this part become a little, I mean, as you can see this edge is a little bit bigger, so I'm going to trim it. And it is done. The tags are ready. So these are my tags that I'm going to use for the pockets. So as you can see, I used the whole paper. I didn't throw something away. And I'm going to decorate my pocket here. And I prepared specially this beautiful little envelope that I cut out from dies. I have these dies for many years, and I like the way they look, those envelopes. They're very little and very beautiful. I love them. So if you have such die, or you can prepare some kind of something miniature like notes, and you can stick it here like that. Let me just stick it. Glue it, actually. Stick glue. Okay, glue. Probably glue is better than stick. Going to glue it, let me see, like that. Okay. The paper that I use is very thick, so this is the reason why I'm using such force. And I'm going to use some sequins here and there to make it more beautiful. As a decoration. Okay. And the last one. Probably I'm going to put one here. In the mini envelope. Okay. So I'm done. Let me just remove those parts here. Okay, so I'm ready, and that is it. Let me just put the tags inside here and in this pocket here, so it is ready. So from those papers, as you can see, from 2 papers, I made 3 different projects, and it looks very beautiful. If you like this design, I'm going to put, as I said, link below, and you can check it. Go and visit my Etsy shop, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also watch the rest of my videos. I hope that you enjoyed this one, and have a great weekend. Bye bye guys, see you in my next video.